everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you 7 easy curly hairstyles for school. You can wear them to school, college, anywhere you want. I'm not very good at hairstyles, so these hairstyles are very basic and easy, and there's no braiding involved, and they are very quick to do as well. I know schools are shut right now, but whenever they open you can try out these hairstyles, and this video was requested to me by one of my viewers, so this is for you. So without a further ado, let's get started. So the first hairstyle is a basic ponytail hairstyle, but I'm gonna twist my hair from the side as well. So I'm just taking a little bit of hair from the side and I'm gonna twist it and put a bobby pin in the back. Do you have any rules for what kind of hairstyles you can do in the school? Let me know in the comments down below, because one of the schools I used to go to, I've been to a lot of schools because of my dad's transfers. So one of the schools I was in for the longest time, we had this rule like if your hair is longer than your ear, like from here, then you have to put 2 ponytails, and if your hair is longer than this, then you have to put plaits. And if your hair is longer than this, like if your braids are really long till your shoulder, like that was considered long for them, then you have to make it double. And that double thing was too much. I remember my hair was only this much. I could easily go away with just 2 ponytails, but I used to tell my mom to braid my hair because I loved long hair, and that braid thing just made it seem like I have long hair, and that's why I have to braid them. And also one single ponytail wasn't allowed. Whatever you do, it has to be 2. And I also remember sometimes I used to make my mom do that double thing also. I used to have this ribbon, and my mom used to take my hair and the ribbon and braid them, and then kind of make it on top like this. So it made it look like my hair is longer, but it was just this much. I'll put a picture here if I find it. So yeah, I have many memories like that. Let me know if you have any rules in the school, if you currently go to school, or if you did in the past, what rules your school had. And while putting the bobby pin, I'm keeping the curved surface at the bottom. I've seen this in a lot of hack videos, and it really helps to make the bobby pin last longer. And now I'm gonna put a ponytail behind. For that I'm using a satin scrunchie. It's really good for curly hair because if you use cotton ones, they can really cause friction in your hair and cause frizz. So satin ones are really good. I'm gonna tie it higher because I like high ponytails. Okay, some nest happened here. It always happens. Does it happen with you too? You can even do this pin thing on one side only. You don't have to do it on both sides. You know what? Instead of putting the pins on both sides, I'm just gonna leave some pieces out like this. And you can finger coil it if it's like frizzy and stuff. My hair is really short, so that ponytail is gonna look so small. You can put some water on it and just finger coil, and it will look nice. You can even put leave-in conditioner or something. For the next hairstyle, I'm again going to do that side pin thing on one side, and instead of doing a normal ponytail, I'm gonna take all my hair on one side and I'm gonna twist it a little bit and put the scrunchie like this. I should do it a lot in my 11th standard tuitions. I'll insert a picture if I can find one. You can again remove some hair fringes like this. So there's one more variation to this which I used to do. You can even do this like behind, but the side thing works better for me. It feels easier. So for this, you divide your hair into 2 sections and you twist both the sections like this. You don't have to twist it completely. Just twist little bit, maybe 2 to 3 inches. And then hold it here till where you have twisted it and tie your scrunchie there and leave a little gap. And since we have a little gap now, whatever hair you have left down, just put it in that gap and take it out from bottom like this. So this is how it would look like. It would look like a braided style, but it's not braided, and it was so easy to do. I'll just show you close up of how it looks. You know, I had this habit, like whatever hairstyle I did, I always put a puff. Like this was a thing. I couldn't do my hairstyle without this because I did not like my hair to look very flat here, but I don't like that anymore. It just looks weird on me, I feel. So the next hairstyle is half up, half down. I think that's what you call it. So this is like Ariana Grande basically. Even this I did a lot of times in school. My mom used to do this for me. So just take some hair from top like so, and put your rubber band. This looks really cute on kids, I feel. So if you go to school, this is perfect. You would look all cute. Okay, now my head is hurting, it's very tight. The next hairstyle is to just leave your hair if it's allowed in your school. So I'm just gonna do a middle part and leave my hair like so, and put pins on both sides. So you can just put some water or just comb it straight like so, because my hair is looking flat here anyway. But if you have curlier hair here, no need to do that if you want curls there. So for me, I'm just gonna put some hair behind my ears from here and put a pin like so, and the rest here I'm just gonna let it fall on it. So what this does is it makes it look like you have left your hair, but it makes it much more manageable because you have put pins on the main hair pieces, like the hair which irritate you. You can choose to hide your pin with your hair if you are wearing just a regular bobby pin, but if you want to show off your pin, you can do that too. For that, you don't have to put extra hair on top, just put the pin on top of your other hair. There you have it. This was really basic, na? I look like a school kid, literally. For the next hairstyle, I'm going to take some hair and twist it and pin it behind. You can make it tight if you don't want much hair falling on your face again and again, but don't make it too tight because it will make your head hurt. Same on the other side. And while doing this, instead of just putting a pin like this, I'm slightly pushing it in front so that there's some kind of volume here and it doesn't look like sapat. Sorry for using that word. And yeah, that's it. I should do similar way, but instead of doing from two sides, I should just take one section and pin it behind and slightly push it to have that puff thing. If you have more volume here, this hairstyle would look amazing on you. For the next hairstyle, I am doing a bun. So instead of doing a straight bun, I'm gonna leave some pieces in front because I like that kind of look. So if you want a smaller bun, what you can do is tie it like this and stop half the way and then do another twist. So it makes your bun look really small, which I don't like. This I do it at home all the time. But if you wanna wear it outside, I do the normal thing, that is do one twist completely, and for the second twist I would do it half the way so that this bun looks bigger. Half the hair is coming out. Anyway, you get what I did, right? I'm not a fan of buns while going out. I feel it doesn't suit me. Some people can pull off the messy bun look so effortlessly and they look so cute. I feel I'm not one of those. I feel it looks very weird on me. Especially those Pinterest pictures, you know, you see, they look so beautiful. So this is my take on messy bun, which looks only messy. So for the next hairstyle, I'm gonna do 2 ponytails. Wait, this means 4. 2 ponytails. So for that, I'm simply parting my hair in 2 halves. You don't have to use a comb or something. Just do it messily because the more random it is, the cuter it looks. And I'm not making it very tight. I'm keeping it like loose using another. Don't mind 2 different colors because I don't have the same color scrunchie. Just gonna work with that. I literally look like a school kid right now. Yeah, this is so much fun. And remove some hair pieces out. When I did this kind of hairstyle in school, mine used to be much higher because these were not allowed, like it always had to be high. School was weird. But anyway, that's it for this video. These were all the hairstyles. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any video requests, please leave them in the comments down below. I would love to make those videos. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every Saturday and I'm also trying to upload more frequently since we're in a lockdown. I get little extra time because I'm saving a lot of commute time. I'm working from home currently, so I try to upload 2 times a week. Not always, but whenever I can, I definitely try to do that. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.